1957 radio. Give me your AM, Steve.
Okay, there we go.
And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right,
Lots of
free.
AM.
Yeah?
/radio. That's
And there's one end.
Goes all the way to the other end.
180 years.
All the way across the dial. Okay. Now, now we have push buttons.
That pressed up for me. This is Eric Thomas.
But oftentimes, because of where they stand politically.
Okay. And we have tone control too, right?
Yeah.
The significant power of these folks is through diversity, equity, and inclusion.
Nearing an end. I can tell you conventional wisdom in Washington was that, of course, she's not going to run for re-election. In fact, she
All right. So, this is kind of a unique radio. It has both a power supply with a diode on it that was replaced, as well as tubes on the inside. We have a large bag of replaced components in it. Every capacitor, a condenser that was replaced in it, and the final problem was, of course, the on-off volume control. We actually disassembled the original volume control potentiometer in there and put the horseshoe track out of another 1 meg audio variable resistor in it, because it just, even though we had a part number on it, it just was not available anywhere. So this radio is completely rebuilt. We did not get the original knobs with it, by the way. But it has all new push button knobs on it. So this has been a real trial, and I think our repairs to it are things that nobody else could have done, because who's going to take apart a potentiometer and rebuild the interior of it? We're the only guys crazy enough to do that. But it actually ended up working fine, and it sounds like your basic AM radio. Thank you very much for your attention.